this is not going to be a long video at all, but in the next 10 minutes, if it even takes that long, I'm going to give you the solution. The title of this video was called Why Networking Events Don't Produce Opportunities. And you probably search something along the lines, why networking events don't work, what to do when you go to a networking event, how to present yourself. Why do I suck at networking? You probably search something like that. And I'll be honest with you, I'm on your side. Okay? I'm on your side. Just put it in the chat. If you're taking notes, just put it down and say I'm on your side. Because here's the thing. When it comes to networking, especially large scale networking events, they promise momentum. They promise momentum. And when it comes to you showing up, you show up to talk to people, to exchange info, maybe even follow up, and then nothing changes. We probably all had that same experience. And what happens is not your trajectory, not even your access, not even your opportunity, nothing really leaves that building or that place wherever the event was. And then what happens is after enough events, people start assuming, I know I started to assume, maybe you started to assume that you're doing something wrong. They're not. You're not. Because here's the real problem. Networking events, large scale events are designed for attendance, not continuity. It's a design issue. They create moments, not memories. Is that making sense to you? Because everyone meets too many people too quickly under zero shared context. Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Awesome. Listen, I love what I love your shirt. I love your blouse. I love your suit. What do you do? Yeah. Okay. And you walk away after the second, third convo, and you don't remember the first person you met. You're like, what's their name? Uh, you just met her. You just met him 2 seconds ago. What's her name? I don't even know. I don't even know, right? And the issue is the conversations happen in a vacuum. There's no shared work, there's no repeated exposure, there's no reason for relevance to build moving forward. So the interactions expire the moment the event ends. And that segues us into your next question when it comes to your follow-ups. They fail because there's no anchor. There's nothing grounding and binding the person you just met and you together. There's nothing there. So then when you give them a call, when you shoot them a text, they're gonna say, hey, listen, remind me who you are again. Just make a mental note if you ever felt that way. If you ever shot someone a call or a text and they were like, how do we meet again? What they're really saying is there's nothing tying you to a moment, a problem, or a situation in their life. The value's not clear. And without the shared context, the relationship has no direction, it has nowhere to go. It's relationships. Ships are supposed to take you somewhere. At this point, most people just have relations. So here's what works instead. We broke down what the problem is. The problem isn't you, the problem is the design, the structure, the container. Now, here's what works instead. Opportunities form in environments where people see each other repeatedly. There's familiarity. The behavior is observed, not described. Third, and most importantly, is that the conversations continue naturally, not louder rooms, longer ones. That's why you ever hear the stereotype? the trope, hey, listen, the money's on the golf course. Why? It's a quiet environment, intimate, conversational, casual. You're watching the way they swing, you're watching their mannerisms, you're watching their habits, good and bad. You're not describing anything. There's no facade, there's no mask, there's no presentation. By the time you finish going through the whole course, you built a relationship. It's called intimacy. Intimacy. Into me, you see. That's what's going to get you through to the next level. Intimacy. No one's intimate in loud spaces. You gotta get into better rooms. So if networking events haven't worked for you, it's not because you lack confidence or strategy. It's because most events end before relationships ever